Optional floating mounting brackets are available in black, white, or veneer finishes to match your screen case and allow the Cosmopolitan to be mounted onto wall or ceiling studs and aligned left or right after installation by loosening 2 screws. To attach the floating mounting bracket rails to the Cosmopolitan case, position the screen with the back of the case up. Position the left and right rail hangers on each end of the case with the hook to the center of the case. Remove the 2 screws from the end caps, slide the rail hangers over the holes, and reinstall the screws. Hook the case clamp over the front of the screen case and pull it around to the rail hanger. Install the clamps using the 4 provided screws. Your screen is now ready to hang from the hanger hook brackets. Hanger brackets are provided for installation to wall or ceiling studs. For a ceiling mount, bolt the L brackets to the hanger bracket using the provided hardware. For wall mounting, secure the 2 hanger brackets to your wall using appropriate fasteners. The hanger brackets should be located 4 to 18 inches from the end of the screen case. Carefully lift the screen case and hang it from the wall by hooking the rail hanger on the back of the case to the hanger brackets. Adjust the screen left or right for centering and tighten the screws on each hanger bracket.